Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get anything for free at Amazon. So as you can see, this is a modded Amazon app. So when I proceed to checkout, um, there's a thing that says more ways to pay, and it says promo reissue vault. And it says this is a vault program that relocates unused balances from expired gift cards. So I'm going to press continue, and you can only do $250 a month, but let's see what they find for me. Because I already have like an order going, so let's see if we can decrease that. So as you can see, it says total applied. All right, it looks like we saved $37. That's crazy, bro. So I'm gonna activate the credit, so $37. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, delivery speed, so I'm gonna pay 0. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the website matrixmods.com. So on this website, we are gonna find the Amazon mod that includes the promo reissue vault feature. So press on it, press download, and it's going to start downloading it. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So these are the additional files. They're just like apps. So what we have to do is go ahead and download 2 of the apps. So as you can see, we got Travel Town, which says like reach level 9, and it's a game. So I could just play through this right here. As you can see, just doing some basic interactions. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you need free stuff at Amazon, definitely go ahead and try it out. Just make sure you download 2 of these apps, whatever they may be, guys. You know, you're going to be all set. So get the word out, guys. This is super insane and it totally works. So if you guys need free stuff at Amazon, definitely go ahead and try this out.